Alright, let's see how our ducks are faring. One of the girls got hurt yesterday. She was bleeding, and she's still limping a little bit. Hey, how you doing today, Miss? Oh, it was kind of scary. She just had a very small cut, but she was completely covered in blood. Hi guys, is your water thawed? There's another thing we gotta do. We gotta check that their water is not completely frozen over. Every couple hours during the day. They do have a heated water in the coop, but the ducks like to spend the day outside. Looks like we need to put fresh hay down. So we've put or straw. We put straw in here and given them a place to eat out of the elements, so they don't have to spend the day in the coop. They just absolutely do not like it, and a lot of the chickens are still spending days in the coop. But everybody's got a heat lamp in their coops so they can warm up. Hey, is your water frozen, Georgie Porgy? Oh, it is. Okay. Well, you guys are gonna have to. Whoa, this is breaking. Yeah, I can't even get that out. So, and that's why we got to check the waters. But they know where the other water is, and they do know that they've got heated waters in the coop. Ugh. Even if the ducks had gotten into the turkeys and fouled it up. Well, that one's gonna have to be sprayed up. Hey girls. Those chickens we got from the pound are really, I think they had something. They're just kind of mangy. But yeah, see, they're standing here. They don't want to be outside either. Ducks are hanging out over the table now. You can see that the sparrows, well, maybe you can't see, but there's a bunch of sparrows that keep going under here to get out of the elements. Hey ladies. You can see most of the chickens are just like, they're not even coming out. They just don't want anything to do with it. Alright. See if this water is not frozen. Okay. So we're good on waters for the most part. And that's how the poor birds are faring in the snow.